Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to trim wall to stair. This is our stair already, and this is how it looks like in the 3D. So if you have a wall around it, for instance, let's draw a wall around it. Then let's look at it in 3D. This is the wall around it. So what we're going to do now is to right click on the wall, right click and go to solid element operation. Now we're going to select the wall as the target element, and we select the stair as the operator element, and we'll choose the operation which we want to use, which is subtraction with upward extrusion, and then you click execute. That's all, and that's it. We have this wall trimmed to the shape of the stair. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. I'm going to be dropping more amazing tutorials, simple tutorials that you will like. Thank you for watching.